fam, now I'm going to decorate my bar cart. I come in here once a month and I wipe it down. And if it's a holiday, then I'll do a little decorations. I pulled some things from my decor closet just to add some Christmas touches to it. So let's see. You know, and I just want to inspire you to, you know, I think now more than ever, since a lot of people are feeling under attack, and I think it's more than ever, you know, if you can, you know, if you're going to entertain family and friends, you know, that's a good idea. And just to do things, you know, there's just to add some festivities to the situation, add some, you know, just some decor to a humble or plain thing. You know, people drink more than they eat. So if you have someone over for 4 hours, and within an hour they will probably have 4 drinks. So it's good to go on and have a station ready. Okay, so I just clean the bar cart. I'm gonna start decorating. Now I got this sleigh here from a Hobby Lobby last year. It was on, I think, 90% off. So this was a 50, like a 55, yeah, this was $54.99, $55 sleigh. And it's like a wreath. You put it hanging on your door. Well, I'm going to use it as the topper. Put it on the bar cart here. It's cute. Okay, and then now what are we going to do? No, I think I'll do this. I'm gonna put the drinks here. I got some sparkling cider, some rum, oh, I got some wine and more sparkling cider. Just trying to make it fun. Now you can do, since I'm doing this ahead of time, I'm going to just put candy in here right now. But you know, if you have guests over, this is a good way to put like your frozen berries, frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries. So that can be like their ice cubes. But for right now, I think I'm just going to do one. I had 2 of these set up. I think we'll just do the red. Okay. Got these from Dollar Tree. Those are from Dollar Tree too. I'm going to put our cups or our glassware. Step back, take a look. That's cute. Okay, so that's all I need for the top. Let's see, do I have anything else for the top? No, so we're going to go down. I'm going to go down to the bottom level. And this is my normal setup. I'm not going to change this at all. This tray has everything you need for a bar. So, you know, I have my shakers. I have 2 shakers here, strainers, bar spoon. I even have some cherries here, grenadine, and some simple syrup. And my wine chill. This is a wine chiller ice bucket. So that's going to stay there. And it's on this beautiful mirrored tray. This is how you just always are ready to keep my wine glasses down here. And I added those red pillar candles, or they're taper candles. And then I'm just going to add this. This is the decor. This is how I add touches of the Christmas down here. Have to get some candles to put in there. And that's pretty much that's all I have to do.